So this is not a church anymore. It used to be called St Thomas's Church, Bradley at one time, but it's now a gymnastics church. So I'm going to video this for Linda and Graham, my friends, for 10 minutes, and then they can see this on my YouTube channel. Yes. So there's 4 faces on here and they're all white, but they're not working, which is a real shame. So let me just turn around, and I'm going to take some photographs of it as well, and then I'll draw it as well at the end. I'm just going to go round. Shame it's all smashed up there. So this is the graveyard. I'm going to just go down here for a... Oh, sorry. Ouch, I just tripped up. Ouch. Right, come on then, let's do the last church here. This clock isn't working anymore. It's always been at this time for years and years, which is a real shame. So this is Bradley St Thomas's Church on Leeds Road, but now it's a gymnastics now. It's a gym house now, so it's not used as a church anymore, which is a real shame. But anyway, Graham, you can have this on my YouTube channel. Yep. But it's nice to see it, and then you know it's there for life. So I'm doing this for you, and I'm going to take some nice photographs with my camera as well, yes, and then I can give it you on my photos for your house to say welcome back from coronavirus. So here we are, let's start videoing it. It's got 3 low clock faces, but they're all at that time 20 to 3 all the time. It's a steeple spire like golcar and linthwhaite church. Yes. So I'm going to give it a good view for a few minutes, and then I'm going to have to head back because we've got to get some lunch. Just be careful with that grave. Where is it? Right, okay. Nice clock faces, aren't there? But they're not working. They haven't worked for years and years and years. Same as that one at Longroyed Bridge at St Thomas, down at Longroyed Bridge. That's not working either, but they've gone altogether. So it's just got one bell down at St Thomas, down at Longroyed Bridge. But this one, I don't think there's any bells in it now because it's not a church anymore, I'm afraid. So I'm near Leeds Road now, at the church, gymnastics church now. Somebody's coming. Just keep your video camera down. So I can give you this for a good few minutes. Bells were in here. It might have been 5, I don't know, for chiming, I don't know, maybe 6. I'll have to ask my bell ringing friends, they might know. I'll see what they say. They'll know before my time, when I was even born. So I'm just going to video it for a few minutes around the other side, and then I'm going to do it again, and then where's the other one? Up there. I'm going to get up there and get that clock face up there. Real shame it's not working anymore. It's a real shame. They could have fixed that clock like the one at Paddock. All saying that's going and chiming now, but this one here is not, which is a real shame. Sorry, there's the other clock right up there, but it's all covered in trees and it's all broken. What a real shame. What a real shame. They could have fixed all that. Nice lovely building to look at. on YouTube, and then you can remember what I've done in the past. What a real shame. But anyway, Graham, you're going to be so pleased what I've done for you. It's now 1 o'clock, it's dinner time. Get some nice countryside up there. There's only me here, there's nobody around, just me. I'm just having a good look round. Right, we're doing some countrysides, and then I'm going to take a picture of it, and then I'm going to send it on to Graham, my mate. Oh, alright. Ooh, ah, I'm going to get up there again. I need to video for a few more minutes of that. So they're all white clock faces. There's 3 low ones and 1 high up above the spire. There it is, just there. But it's a shame they're not working at all. That's a real shame. I think it is a real shame there, Stuart. Yes. But maybe one of these days they might repair it. I hope they do in the near future. So let's take a look down here. I'm going to go there. I'm going to video the church from the other side. At least it's a nice day and it's not raining and wet. So after this I'm going to take some photographs, and then hopefully it could be there for you to watch on YouTube, Graham. Yep. So this is because we've been in a lockdown for over a year, and I think it's been disgusting being stuck in lockdown for a year, but at least it's improving, so that's good to know. Do you want to do the middle? Yes, I'm getting to do that now. That's a train, is that, passing by from Leeds to Huddersfield and Morley. Let's go through the plants, and then I'll do the other side, and then it's dead, is that clock, so I'm sorry about that. I'm really sorry about that, Graham. It's not working anymore. Yeah, a real shame. We'll do this side as well. Nice to see the redundant church. Yep. Right. So that's enough now.